Okay, so this video here, we are showing you the difference between these older style Toyota injectors versus the newer style Toyota injectors, and the atomization difference of the old ones versus the new ones. And also to follow up on another video that we posted about all of these injectors that look similar to this, that come in the Toyotas and Lexuses, all flowing exactly the same. Okay, so here in this one and this one here are the newer plastic style. This one here and this one here is the older style. And here we're going to see the difference between the metal body versus the plastic body, and how the see this metal body one here versus the atomization of the newer styles is much better. And they also flow exactly the same.